Today we're going to demonstrate a technique called weigh by difference. Weigh by difference is quick and efficient, and it works well in situations where you need to know precisely how much sample you have, but you do not need an exact predetermined amount, needing instead a precisely known amount within a range. Weigh by difference has the advantage of avoiding sample loss that can occur when you're using an intermediate like a weigh paper or a weigh boat. With weigh by difference, you transfer directly from the source container to the flask you will use in analysis. So we'll do this for each room. We're going to start with 210. So let's look at our basic equipment here. You've got your balance, and then you've got a little vial here and an Erlenmeyer flask. Now you'll notice the vial cap on it. The material inside it has been dried, analytically dried in an oven. You'll notice it's labeled KHP. There will be two of these. The other one will be labeled H2X. Note the warnings. These are not especially dangerous, but they do have hazards. So uncap your dried vial, place it on the balance, and in 210, hit the tare button. So now you have a 0. Retrieve sample. Roll or tap sample into your receiving container. Both techniques work well. I prefer rolling. Professor Dunn prefers tapping. Place your sample back on the scale. Notice you have a negative number here, 0.203 grams. That's not quite enough. We'll explain as we go along. So we're going to tap a tiny bit more into the container. Let's check again. We're working our way up to what we need. We're still not quite there. 0.2514, we need some more. So one more time. We're heading for a ballpark in the 0.3 gram range. So let's see what our third tap gives us. Here we go. 0.3207. Write that number down. Remove, cap your vial. Let's look at how much we have. It's a tiny amount, a very tiny amount. This works well for tiny amounts. Your sample mass is the absolute value of that reading, i.e. in this case 0.3207 grams. And that's it.